Hi, I'm Rich Binko. I'm here to help you make an informed decision about choosing a personal injury attorney. People should hire an attorney, and hopefully our firm, as soon as they can. The simple reason is evidence tends to disappear, whether it is a skid mark, whether it is a vehicle at an impound lot, or in the case of a recent lady came in and she had a bad fall in the parking lot. We went out and took pictures. We put rulers in there. We measured how wide it was. We measured how deep it was. We took all kinds of pictures. And the next day she called to tell us that they had paved the parking lot over and that evidence was gone. What a different case. We were able in this particular one to have great pictures and blow them up and show a jury, whereas if we didn't have that evidence, it would just be her word and we wouldn't have the great demonstrative proof. So because of the fact that things change, evidence gets lost, and people's recollections get faulty. If there's a key witness on who had the red light situation and who had the green light, their recollection is going to be a whole lot better if you get to them within the first couple of weeks as opposed to the couple of years after. So that plus the requirement of filing forms, no-fault forms need to be done in 30 days in a car accident. Otherwise, you'll have no health insurance to cover your medical bills because no fault is primary. The other things that have to be done are MV 104As. You have to file an accident report if there's significant damage to your car with the state of New York. And if you don't do that, in some circumstances, you could have your license suspended. So there's consequences to going with paperwork. There's consequences to getting to us early. You allow us to preserve evidence. We had a very serious farming accident, and the people got to us quickly. And it was important because they wanted to continue to use the machine. And if they hadn't called us, they would have been using the machine, and all of the changes and all of the evidence and what it looked like and why it hurt somebody would have been lost. So we were able to, they were mad at us because we made them put that aside because it's an important piece of evidence as to why our client had a very, very significant leg injury when part of the machine fell on him. But it was figured they're going to fix it up and use it. So people don't know the adage of spoilage of evidence. If they spoil it, it's important that they get legal advice as quickly as they can also.